This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. I think we are discussing about Pega futures. Sorry. So Pega futures we are discussing right now. So what are the points we discussed yesterday? Can you please anyone pick?
Sir,
Anyone
yesterday we
please?
discussed, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Maheshwari. Yeah.
Performance tools.
Sir, yesterday we discussed about that performance tools, sir, like performance analyzer alerts and guardrail tool. And
Good.
guardrail tool will check application, design quality, and construction quality.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Okay.
yesterday we discussed about the DCO, directly capturing object.
Hmm.
And we have discussed debugging tools like a clipboard is a junction between layers.
Okay. Okay.
So these all,
Tracer,
and
live
you have
Yeah.
yes, debugging tools like Tracer, Live UI, Performance Analyzer, Alerts, and Clipboard.
Okay. Okay.
So
After
total 9 features
yeah.
completed, sir.
After discussing here, did you get chance? So everyone, I'm asking you, not only Mahesh, it's everyone. So did you get a chance to see that what these things in the Google, maybe something? Did you try it?
Till now
Unmute
we did not
everyone,
try it, sir.
Arvindeshwar. Why? So at least are you listening one more time video class?
Yeah, sir. Listen.
No,
Yes,
listening.
sir.
Okay. Check it. No, even you can after listening today what sir discussed the points, so you can check it in your Google something. Then maybe you can get some idea what is that. Whether is a
Okay, sir.
you have some like so how we can improve our knowledge using of this way also, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now that's one thing I want to tell you. And
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. So there the see we discussed till now what is Pega, what is BPM, what is BRE, and what is other BPM tools in the BPM industry. What are the top one? Pega is number one. How you said by using our Pega tool, we are getting of quality. We are getting more profit within the less time, and we are giving good services to the customer. We are giving quality product to the customer within the less time. And Pega will support any operating system, any database. So that's why you can say it's an independent platform tool, and it will support any to design any domain application also. It will support any type of application also. Every application will have data structure, presentation layer, business logic, database layer. For designing of industry, we are using different technologies, but for here, without writing of any coding languages, without writing of any coding languages, will design whole application. Means no coding here. So then no coding means what is the source here? The source is nothing but here the rules, business rules. What are the rules are there that we have to see that what kind of rules. So by using of rules, I'm going to developing a whole application without coding of. So that's why you can say the no coding and quick development. And definitely every application will have integration feature. Without that is there is no application. So this is one of the great feature in the Pega. So without writing of any single percentage custom code, also just doing of just doing a small configuration, I can connect any external application. So that external application will be developed by any software. We don't bother about that. Industry, whatever you have software, so everything is fine. How for that also we have inside the Pega tool we have integration rules are available. Then after that we discuss if we facing any issues, how we can trace those issues also here. So those issues here we have, there is no manual debugging, we have automation deployment tool will be there. We have debugging tools are available. Those are Tracer, Live UI tool, Performance Analyze, Clipboard. It's very important is the CSA exams purpose and interview point of questions also. Okay, the tracer tool is used for, it is a debugging tool. It is used for to trace only business logic layer. Live UI tool is used for to trace only presentation layer. Issues performance means if you are facing unnecessary, don't run it. If you are facing any issues in the particular layer, I want to trace the issues. quickly. So then tool will be find out very quick. So performance analysis will be concentrated on the database layer. Clipboard is a database tool, is a debugging database tool. It is placed inside the business logic layer. It is used to store the data temporarily inside the clipboard. And by using of this tool, I can improve the application performance. How? So it is used for to avoid hitting of database server multiple times. When the server is common, I want to use it multiple times. Then I can use clipboard tool. Next, performance tools. PAL alerts guardrail tool, very important. So I want check application quality. There are two types of quality. One is design quality. Second one is execution performance quality. Okay, execution performance quality I want check it, and application construction quality. For that also we have inbuilt tools are there. Those are first number one, guardrail tool is used for to check application design quality, and to check application execution quality we can use performance tool. If there any issues we can we can send the alerts to the particular people. I can use alert tool. This is one of the great feature, DCO feature, directly capturing object. Object is nothing but business requirement. Pega is capturing, Pega tool is capturing business requirement. How it is capturing means we need to provide inputs to the Pega tool. How we can provide the inputs to the Pega tool? So you will get the document BRD, business record document. We can call now as a story. Agile methodology you can call user story or storyboard or use case. By seeing that your inputs, by seeing that the document, you can give the inputs to the Pega tool. So whatever your Pega is receiving a Pega inputs, it will be creating application automatically. So for that, it is helping to you. There are two tools will be there, four tools: application profile documentation, new application wizard, and project estimation. Application profiler is used for to receive the inputs. Application documentation is used for to generate the documentation for your application. Any kind of documentation, please, because others will understand that you developed, but that you only will understand. What about others? They have to understand is that technical person, non-technical persons. But if you give the documentation, everybody will understand that. So instead of writing by manual, so it will be saving your right, you are wasting of your time. So I won't save that time in this scenario. So then how we can do? For that also, I'm just putting off one of the tool will be then say the Pega product tool. Using of this tool, I can generate any kind of is a requirement document, and what about technical document? Oh, I can get it anything. What about new application wizard? Once is receive that, this will take care to create the application. Project estimation, this is will be to generate the estimation. So these all things will be used by the senior people, not by you. Senior people is project manager and LSA, lead system architect. You know what I mean that, right? Pega certifications will be there. There are like first initial certification CSA, CSSA, and CLSA. Part 1, part 2. There are two parts. So this is the first level. Second level, third level is very important. Part 1 is exam, part 2 is project. This is whoever have 3+ of experience. If you have CS is a mandatory, no doubt on that. CS is a mandatory. CWSA your wish. That is if you do that, we'll get more package. You know, already I told that. If you have CSSA, we'll get more package. So we can get, I'm not, but without CSA also is not possible. I can't consider as a Pega resource, as a Pega policy. Now, who have above 6 years of experience in Pega, they will look for part 1. Once you complete, they go for part 2. If we have part 2, you know how much it is value. As of now, the CLSA part 2 is completed total India Pega system. 582 nearly, I think so. 582. You know, in India, if you have that exam, how much you will get salary? You can get 1 crore. No, sorry, 1 crore. Minimum, we tried, you can get it. Otherwise, 70 to 90, maybe your best. That is minimum. Minimum, you can get it. There are some senior people will be there, but it's like not now. First, we have to complete CSA. At least you need to work because you have some gap will be there. You can fill it. If you work or 2 years in the any Pega project, sincerely put more effort, then whatever I have the gap, I'm working last 6 years as a Pega, you can show them, then you can do the plan to certification part 1, part 2. Then no need to go for anywhere on-site, sir. You'll settle life in India itself. How much you're getting package means you'll nearly will get crow. But at least 70 is minimum. No doubt for CLSA part 2, I'm telling you. Not this one. This is not I'm telling you. Just who have industry 15 plus of experience, not 15 plus, even 12 and about 10. If you have CLSA part 2 also, they're getting here nearly 70, 80, 90. Between will be the range. Is required in the on-site. If you get it here, so more than that, they're getting in any other countries. I think you have senior people will be there. Am I correct? I think Ishwar or the seniors. I forget the name. Shailesh. Is they getting?
Yes, yes, correct.
Then see, if you're getting is 70 lakhs, is how much you're getting here? 5 lakhs monthly in India. So if you go for on-site, they're getting the same or you're getting more than that? On-site you
Same
go for,
only.
I mean, India, no, but that is different. You're getting there 5 lakhs, but you're getting finally 3 lakhs and you're there spending or finally you are saving there 1.5 lakh. But here, 5 lakhs, maybe my maximum you can spend 1 lakh. 1 lakh you spend, remaining 4 lakhs you're saving here. So that is the Pega. Then why you question, why is that much package they're giving? Because this is a Pega. The question, why is Alto is that much cost and why BMW that much cost? Because of features. That is the differences. Both are the same engine. So I can say Java, that is the Pega. Why? There are many inbuilt features. I'm very happy, I'm comfortable. But these also car only, but there isn't that much features. That way this is the cost, that is the that much cost BMW. Okay. So this is the developer role certification hierarchy. Okay, developer role. Our developer role certification hierarchy: level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. In the level 3 is part 1, part 2. Okay, no? This is our developer role. Remaining BA, we have CPBA, C under RPA, CRSCA, and administrator test. They are different, but everyone is mandatory CSA because then only they know. See, without knowing, even project manager also at least they have CSA, because without knowing product, you can say I know product, but I can't believe you. If you have certification, then I can believe you. Don't say that as the like Java, .NET people like that. If you have certificate, then only I can trust you. That is the Pega policy. So everyone is should do, who are working inside the Pega project, they have to manage a CSA. Okay. Okay. Now this is about certification hierarchy. What is the meaning of full form? Certified system architect, certified senior system architect, certified lead system architect. Part 1 is exam. Part is app build is a project. They will give 14 days time. Just take it 14 days time. 7 days is designing. They will give one project. For that you need to prepare the technical document. For that they will give 7 days. For complete again to building of your project by seeing the whatever you designed design document. So for that they will give again 7 days. Total 40 days. If you submitted, the result will get it maybe 1 month, 2 months. So based on the time period it will take. Sometimes they will get immediately, sometimes they will take 1 month, 2 months also. So they will provide a result on that. So the pass is 75. Okay, 75. But CS is 60. This is also 60, but CLS is 75 pass. Part 1, part 2, everything. Build is part 75. Now next point. Do you have any questions on this? Okay.
Sir, I had doubt. Currently, Pega version is 8.6, right, sir?
8.6 latest version.
Okay. All the companies are upgraded to latest, or currently they are using previous
No.
version?
Still they are working to 8.2. See, all industry is almost 90% 8.x only. P of still working 7.x also. Okay,
Okay, sir.
10% maximum, 10%. But 8.x means 8.2, 8.3, 8.4. They're working 8.6. Who are going to start recently, they're going to start 8.6. If they want upgrade, they can upgrade it. But 8.6, that's why we are going to consider 8.x only. If you're working 8.x, you can lower version is not easy. For you, it's not yet difficult. You can easily work on that.
Okay. So if
Okay.
I certified in CSA, it is any time period, it is a lifetime.
Lifetime. There's no any particular. There's a limitation. Is lifetime. That is the case. Otherwise, I have to do number of certifications, number of times, right? No, this one time only. No need any. There
Okay.
is no any. It's not like a Salesforce. I can understand that. Salesforce only 2 years. Okay, no? It's lifetime. Once you've done that, it will be valid to the lifetime.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Next. So Pega tool remaining features we'll discuss. Then I'll tell you that. Okay. Reports. One of the great features, reports. I think industry know that. This is one of the big functionality in industry. Correct? Everybody will ask you reports. We know we are generally we are talking about we're seeing also bank statements, and when you are finding of any product in Amazon, they will send you the invoice bill. You I think regularly you are working people pay slip. These are all the reports only. The generating reports is nothing but document. How it is coming, the document where the sorry report is nothing but is like data. The data where it will be there inside the back end. So they're bringing the back from the back end to a business logic layer. The data they're putting some document and converting as a PDF format, Excel format. They're sending to your email. This is happening in the background functionality. For doing of this, we need to write a lot of business functionality, right? For integration will be there to connecting of email server and converting from one format to another format document. Also, we have to do that. Lot of custom business, lot of custom code we need to write. But if you're coming to Pega, without knowing, so here we have to know database language, we have to know business language, we have to know how to connect a email server. The three languages will be there. We have to know to doing of this functionality. But if you're coming to Pega without knowing anything, Pega will create and generate the reports automatically. Right? You are seeing automatically when you open any first month, you can see the bank statements, you can see the pay slip. If you open a personal mail, you can see the bank statements. This last month completely. This is a statement of the for your bank, your account. If you see your pay, if you open your organization email ID, there we can see that pay slip. This is the pay slip info, salary information about that, what you deduct the money, PF, everything. Am I correct? So automatically it will be there when you open that. You know, so someone is like how it will happen automatically sending to your email. The same thing Pega without running off any code, just doing of creating of Pega itself will create the reports and generate the reports automatically. How? For that we have one of the great source will be there, great person is there. That's called report definition rule. Report definition rule is there. Using of these rules, I already told that Pega is doing everything means by rules. There is no Pega knows only rule language. They don't any other languages. So everything is everything is done means by the rules only. So what is for every functionality for designing purpose we have the rules are there. The particular functionality purpose I have created a particular rule. You can use that rule and you design it. So the same thing for the reports requirement purpose. Industry there are like some tools are there for the only for the reports. Have you heard anything Jasper reports? So some tools are there. But if you come to Pega, the tool is Pega will be everything will be handling not only for the reports. So for the reports requirement purpose in Pega side, inside the Pega tool, we have report definition rule will be there. This rule will be create and generate the reports automatically. Next, one of the great feature, agent. What do you mean that agent rule? I think your friends will be there. They're working a night shift. They will say that we are running, we are executing some batches night time, midnight, some batch process, and if you do any like changes in our application level, it won't impact immediately. So next day it will impact. Why? There's night time. Some batch process will be run it. It will run by the people or by the system. Very simple. I think you are regularly using one thing, bank transactions. So bank transaction will happen every day, daily, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. After 6 p.m. we can do it. I'm not saying that it's not doing. We're not able to do that. We can do it, but the money will be credited to target person next day after 9 a.m. So I'm just saying that do process daily from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So remaining 6 a.m. to next day 9. No. So 6 p.m. to 9 a.m. I'm just informing, please go for sleeping mode. Don't any production, but we can do, but all the process will be stored in the queue. When next day will come after, when the time schedule time came 9 a.m. automatically your agent will wake up and see that what are the process will be there in the queue. They will run one by one. This is generally will be to the backend. So the process will be completely depend on the some time, the particular schedule time. So in the industry, is there any process I want run at a particular time, then you need to write a lot of custom code. But if you're coming to in the Pega, we can easily design it, achieve it this kind of requirement. How? Agent rule, one of the great feature. By using of agent rule, is there any requirement I want run at a particular time, any functionality, any process, a particular schedule time? Example, bank transactions. Example, you are getting reports, particular date, particular time, anything. And like you can take it any kind of things. But based on the time I halt on the process, this kind of functionality without writing of any custom code, I can handle just doing of configuration, just doing of configuring of this rule. I can achieve easily that kind of functionality. So that is called agent rule. No thinking directly blindly you can go. I'm just telling that now. Requirements, okay, we should use report definition rule. Is there any functionality I want run particular time? Sorry, it's told already. Blindly you can go non thinking. Okay, time means go for agent rule. See, one of the great rule this is actually. Next. Till now, yeah, 12. Security is very important. Pega will be secure for your application. It's very important. Without secure, there is no application. At least we have some basic secure, right? Basic security means using of username and password. Then advanced security means you are doing OTP numbers and SSO single sign-on application. If you log in single time, I can log in multiple application. Example, Gmail, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, everything. At a time, I can log in it. Single login. So finally, full secure. Pega will provide more security for your application. It will support any type of application. Means basic security, custom security, SSO, single sign-on security. And not only application level, for your application source code, I can say that otherwise. Application source rules I need to provide. Otherwise, if you not provide security for your application, what you use rules to design your application, if you not provide and others will copy that code, then they will design for they will use for their applications. So I want to provide security not only for application level, application source rule also. So for any kind of level, Pega will provide more security. It will support any kind of security mechanism, that is basic security, custom security, SSO security, and web security. Web security will come under the integration point of view in the SOAP level. Pega will support multi-threading features. At a time, I can run multiple functionality by multiple users. 14th, Pega tool will have very high execution speed. Till now, we are talking all developing of applications, checking of performance, and finding of issues. But once you develop the application, I want to execute. I want build the application, not execute. Sorry, I want build the application. Is there any errors, syntax errors? If is no syntax errors, I need to put your application inside the server. That is called deployment. If there is no errors, immediately I need to deploy. Where your application will be there inside the server. Then only we can open the application. Otherwise, without keeping of any server, can you using application is not possible, right? Server is very important. So the execution speed, the compiling speed, or building speed, and deployment speed is very high speed, means within the milliseconds. We're not doing manually. Pega tool will take it automatically. When you create any rule, after that I want to check is there any errors, syntax errors. So I want compile, and immediately there is no NES, automatically it will deploy to the server. That's why we can say it is the very high, sorry. Execution speed is very high. Okay, this is about deployment. I mean compiling and deploying. So you never say within the milliseconds, not seconds. I'm saying that within the milliseconds. Pega tool will compile your application and deploy your application to the server within the millisecond. That's why we can say it is a very high execution speed. 15 point. Sorry, next. The deployment. Pega tool will support automation deployment and manual deployment. Automation deployment and manual deployment. Okay. You know what is manual deployment? Now people industry is following is automation deployment. Before is manual deployment. So how we can do manual deployment? I'm the dev environment. I generate the created my development is completed. Then I given the file to them. So then I will share my file in the particular share folder. Then testing team will have access. There's administrator. They will take the file. They will take the file from the share folder to they'll deploy the testing. This is a manual deployment. See that how much you're wasting of time there. And you are putting a share folder, they're taking over from the share folder, again they have to deploy. This is regular work and wasting of time. So industry now, where we are spending unnecessary time, irregular work. So for there, we can make it automation, don't spend it. Is the different work daily, I can do manually, but is same work. Instead of doing by you, there we can bring any system. Now that's why tool will support either automation deployment and manual. Manual deployment. But manual deployment, you know that. But what about automation deployment? Industry, they bring it some DevOps, right? DevOps tools will be there. like Docker, Jenkins. So the number of tools will be there. The third-party tools. Pega will support for making automation deployment, even third-party tool also. But without using of third-party tool also, we can do automation deployment. For that, we have one of the great feature they introduce here by using of repository. Using repository tool, using repository rule, I can do the automation deployment. That's we have inbuilt feature. Even Pega tool will support third-party tools. Third-party tools also. Either manual development, but one thing I want to tell you, no, nobody using manual development, but it will support it. If you want, you can do that. But nobody industry completely now following in the not only Pega, everywhere is automation deployment only. Either using all the DevOps tools. Okay. Next, 16th point. So where you are deploying? So finally testing is over. Then after your UAT server, user acceptance testing is over. Then final live is a production. Production application is live application. There are two kind of environments will be there. What is that? First, cloud, right? Cloud environment. Then what is one more? On-premise. What do you mean that? On-premise means what? Any idea? On-premise environment is what? Ishwar, do you have any idea?
We have
Any
servers
others?
in our location, client locations.
Client missions. Their own missions. This is cloud. Third-party people. Industry, they before I think before we don't have this facility. Now they introduce here. Before we have
AWS.
only one. Before we have only one on-premise environment is called client missions. So before we only handling our application, then what is the problem, right? We have to take care everything, maintenance, everything. So we have to spend a lot of time here. Instead of that, what they're thinking right now, industry people, spending unnecessary time for the maintaining of application, that the same time I can spend for the my business level, then I can get the more profit. So what I can do there in people to maintain application, then people are like where we can catch the business in the what are the areas, how we can catch the business, they're thinking and finding of these different tools. So then that is one of the scenario they given the cloud environment. Cloud with the third party environment, they will handle client applications, then they'll get the monthly billing or whatever their policy. So they're not, so these people completely maintenance of the applications. Then I'm the client, so I can think it about my business, how we can improve. So I will forget it to maintain application. I can give the monthly billing to the cloud environment people. There are different clouds will be there, AWS, as you're saying that. Next, Google Cloud. Next, PCF, Pivotal Cloud will be there. And Azure, anything with anything, E1, we have our own cloud also. Again, I'm telling you, I don't want to depend on others. We have our own cloud. It's called Pega Cloud. So Pega tool will support any cloud environment, or even it will support any client own missions also. That is concept you can call on-premise environment. I don't is only specific. Everything I can support it. Next, 17th. See, Pega tool is introduced here for all the domain applications, correct? What are the common requirement will be there on all the domains level? All the domains level, they put it in the Pega tool. Now I'm going to, so always I have to think for the users or customers, what I can give the best for them. Easy, I want to give. So now I'm going to next level step. In the bank, in the individual like domain level, what is the common requirement? So in the banking, there are number of applications, ICICI, HDFC, SBI, Andhra Bank. There are number of banks will be there. In all the banks, there are like almost 70-80% common functionality. Only 30 to 20% will be there. Different policies, different benefits will be there. So these are all 70% common. What Pega is thinking in the banking domain level, what are the common functionality? Again, I will put it in the ready-made code. So by using a Pega platform, I'm going to create a common code is nothing but is a framework, generic, reusability. So whatever we have that common functionality that will put it in the one application that is called framework application, they put it in the ready-made code, ready-made application. So we have Pega is already some banking frameworks will be there, insurance framework will be there for all the domains. So I put it ready-made frameworks also. This is called standard frame, but it's not a free again licensed product. Why you are how to use? Can we create our own customized framework without going that? Yes, that also you can do it. Pega is supporting for you. Either you can do your own or Pega, you can use Pega things. But using a bar you can create your own also. But for that, no need to create write the coding. No need to write the coding. We can do manual. We can create. You can use rules only. Again, there is no coding here completely. So we have standard frameworks. Example, standard frameworks, and we can create our customized frameworks, customized frameworks. Moment. Customized frameworks. So it will support any kind of frameworks also. But there's the standard. This based on the client. They have to deal on that. So there the features are available. Main features. The main features are available inside Pega tool. That's why I'm going to use to develop my application. If you say these all the points, they won't ask you any questions. Not shortcut. We have to, however, I will explain you. You have to say the detailed information level. They won't ask you next question because they will believe you. So you are the real-time person. One more thing I want to say that you should use Pega terminology. Don't use your own whatever you have the previous experience. Don't use those terminology. So there is a chance to find you are like fake person again. I mean not fake means you're the learning person. You're an initial stage person. They will think it. So, however, I'm saying that. However, I'm using the terminology. You should use the same terminology. Pega terminology. See, these are the features are there. They're the main features. There's still small features will be that will talk to you when I'm talking about the topic level. There I can tell you that. The main features will be there. So to design these features, always I'm saying to you, we have rules, we have rules, we have rules, we have inbuilt rules, we have inbuilt rules, we have inbuilt rules. What are the rules are there? First, I give small introduction of that. So to design anything, we are saying that we have inside the Pega tool rules are there, ready-made rules are there. Where it is exactly if we talk business rule engine, right? So what are the rules types? Rule types. There are total 8 basic 8 rules, basic rules. 8 basic rules. 8 basic rules. 1. Rule set rule. Rule set rule. We talk everything rule here. 2. Class rule. 3. Property rule. 4. Decision rule. 5. Declarative rule. 6. Activity rule. 7. UI user interface rule. 8. Process flow process flow rule, and advanced or additional rules. You can say that advanced rules or additional requirement in that. Number one, case type reports agents integrations case types reports agent integrations debugging tools performance tools, okay, debugging case, yeah, and data types. They are the basic rules, core rules. I can say that they are the basic rules or core rules, and additional rules. They are the additional rules. Total case type reports agents integrations, their debugging tools and performance tools and data types. Whatever I'm saying, that whatever the requirement by using of these are single application, whole core application, these additional requirement purpose. Whatever I'm saying, that all the requirement, whatever industry, whatever you have the requirement, those all the requirement I can design without using of any single code. By using of these rules only, everything I can design it. So total how many rules? 8 plus 8 plus 7, 15 rules. 15 rules. There is one more. I can say one more. So in integration point of view, that's why we didn't note it all to connect to any application, any database, any servers. Okay, everything I can come here. So there is like listeners, email listeners. Okay, listeners. Total 16 topics. 16 topics. If you know these 16 topics as a theoretically, practically, there may be some subtopics will be there. I'm just telling you main topics. If you know these 16 topics as a theoretically, practically, you are a Pega expert. You just tell me that it's difficult. And if we talk about Java, there are number of modules. It's not only one: core Java, advanced Java, Spring, Hibernate, different EJB. The number JS of different things will be there. The same thing .NET, number of modules. If you talk, even your people are like studied for good qualification in your when you study that time you have total 8 subject will be there. This is only one subject, only 16 topics. Very difficult to know about as a theoretical practically. You check it, your friends will be there, right? Or you can go on Google. You know, even I can't cheat you, right? If you go and check it the Google, even I send you the course content also to you, all of you. You can just check it in the Google anywhere. What my sir told you today, whatever I told you, written the topics is the same topics. There any different topics? By seeing the course content, you can check it, and you can compare any Google also find out. Apart from these topics, is there any I'm using the real time? Check your friends. I will dig the challenge also. If there any new topic will be there. 16 topics will be difficult. Using of these 16 topics, I'm going to. These all the 16 rules. If you know as theoretical, practically, I'm a Pega expert. I can do everything. Using of these 16 rules, I'm going to designing every requirement. Even you know one thing, you already know this all the meaning, but I'm using different names here. And just give them some simple clue. What is rule set? You already know some other language, right? It's like a package or like a folder. If you talk in the language role, package. Otherwise, if you talk normal way, is a folder. It is a folder. I can give that way. It's a folder. Then what is the class? Class is nothing but it's like class rule. Okay, in Pega terminology. You know already class or program or single program or file. Then what is the property? Variable. Then what is decision rules? If, else, if, when condition, right? These all things will come. What about declarative rules? Arithmetical expressions. Arithmetical expressions and validations means client-side validation and server-side validations. What is method? So what is activity? Method. You know what is the method? Then what is user interface? Presentation layer, PL. What is process flow? I think you know in C language this is called flow chart will be there. What do you mean flow chart? So by seeing the flow chart, I can understand that how the program will be executing the flow diagram starting to end. We can easily understand that. Why? If you go for directly program, what will happen? Program technical people will understand. If there's non-technical people, and you need to understand quickly. By seeing the flow diagram, they will understand very quick. So this you already know meaning, right? You know, right? What is the folder? What is the program? What is the file? What is the variable? Input variable, if else condition, expression. But I should not use the same name. I should use the different names here. That's why I'm putting different names here. But here you call normal rule names. But here you can call for everything rule. These know already again reports, agents, integrations. This thing. But case type is nothing but business logic layer. Data type is nothing but database layer. Listeners is nothing but for the email listener purpose. Email, so when I'm going to connecting of email listener, email servers, I can use email listener, file listeners to bring the files from the remote system. That is called file listeners. These are topics will be there. Overall, we are going. These are Pega basic. What is Pega? What is BPM? What is BRE? And what are the Pega futures? You know, next 40 days course. This is we are going to see that all the topics as each topic, each feature. I'm going to see that 3 to 4 days are theoretical and practically. Completely practical, no theoretical, only practical. Each feature I'm going to say 3 4 days. So by using of these rules, these is the complete Pega course content to become as a Pega expert, to complete your certificate CSS, CSS, that's enough. You could just check it. Apart from that, is there anything else? This is about Pega, the basic things, Now, I think from Monday onwards, we are going to the Pega architecture. What is, how they build Pega tool? What is the Pega software? How they build it? Means how? What is the Pega architecture? How to get the Pega software? How to everybody be ready with the Pega software? Monday class, I'm going to show you how we can install Pega software in local machine. Okay, that is the Monday agenda. Monday class agenda. What is that? Get the everyone's software and be ready with in your system. Then Monday I can show you that how to install Pega software on local machine. Then everybody can install it on system. This is the class. Any question? The same thing I'm going to show. Putting into the.
Yeah, how to get the Pega software?
I will give you, Vishwar. I'll give you. Okay, no? I'll give you.
Oh, okay.
So now do you have? So I'll share this folder in the same this recording file, the folder. Download it, and weekend Saturday, Sunday. What we discussed this 4 days, 3 days, 4 days demo, including demo. Just watch it again one more time. What we did. What are the main? This is the course content. There isn't any other new things. Remaining 40 days going, I'm going to see the same thing only. So what? These are main points, features and rules. Features and rules. These are the requirement. These are the rules. Using of these rules, I'm going to design these all the requirements. So watch it and even check it in the Google also. Do some research and note all the points. If you have any question, you can ask me in Monday class. Maybe if you don't have to waste time, I want you have already my number. You can WhatsApp me also. I can give the reply. Okay, these are the things. Do you have any question from anyone? Unmute. You have any question? Ishwar, Gayatri, Hema, Charan.
Yeah, so after After completing this course, can we able to write the exam CWSC
100% Ishwar.
or yeah,
No doubt on that.
or we need to spend more time to
Not
the
required,
things?
Ishwar. Not required.
Okay.
We'll complete it. I'm
Hello,
telling
sir.
you, we'll complete
I'm
it.
audible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
What
Sriram
is
here.
what?
With this? Yeah. Yes, Vignan.
Sriram, sir.
Shivam.
Oh,
Shriram. Yes.
Yes. Sir, can you explain the career graph, like for 10 to 15 years, like after this, for Pega?
No, after 10 years, how it will be Pega you talking?
No, not about Pega, sir. How will be like our career graph? Let's suppose we are starting as a Pega engineers. So
See,
after that,
now industry, everybody expecting automation here. You check it very simple. I don't want to tell you because if you tell some different way will be there. Even Google also you can check it. All banking application now using Pega. All insurance, all healthcare using Pega. All manufacturing using almost Pega. Why? Everybody expecting is automation. They don't want to go for the manual way because it's taking time. Delay is there, but I want to immediately release the market, get the more business. So all see, until Pega industry Java will be there, Pega will be there. Why? Because Pega is a Java tool only. So if Java is manual, nobody prefer. So who will prefer your question? Then you question. People are not using, they're using who don't have much budget. So Pega is see, I'm able to get the Alto, I'm able to BMW. So who will get the BMW? You have capability to buy that, you can get it. But you have if you have that much money also, then will you buy Alto? Why you not buy the Alto? Futures. Happiness is meant that there is like futures will be there. I'm very happy, comfortable. So the same thing, Pega is like licensed product. It's like Ambani, you can say that. So people are, but I'm the same kind of look and feel quality will be there. The people will use, but even Java also use. But who will? I don't have that much budget. I want just run the application. I can go for it because it's a free software. I can use this one. So that is the difference with this and that. Okay, after 10 years, what I'm saying, you're saying that I see, I started my career, even now you don't know. That time is only people know the only Java 2008. Just assume that one. My career started in Java only. Initial 6-8 months joined as a fresh in the TCS. They trained me in Java only. There is that time is Java is number one language. People, everybody who are talking the only Java, they won't talk Java, .NET, mainframe. There's the technology. So suddenly they put in the Pega. Even I also like I don't want. No, I told to my manager also. Then manager told me, please listen my words. You can we will talk one-to-one discussion. There he you listen me, trust me, you'll get good future. Because we don't know. I don't know, right? So how long it will be there? Because that people are saying that is what is Pega. Different jokes will be there on that time. But after immediately I trained it, I immediately I get the on-site. My Java people didn't get immediately on-site. Why? That the difference means skill. I'm not talent. I'm not saying that my talent. I'm saying the skill. Skill is very because for Java there are number of people. For the Pega skill we have less people. Huge requirement. No option. They have to send. If Java, if you're waiting for queue onset, you have to queue will be there. There's queue number of people are waiting for that. For Pega no queue. You have to send a lot of requirement. You need to send all the people. That is the so till I have 14 years of experience in the Pega. You just tell me that we are in the good position. You know you're saying after 10 years it will be there here full because otherwise what down I'm doing the by Pega Java I can do everything by Pega. One is automation tool. It is the automation tool, no coding. Okay.
sir, one of my friend brother is there. Like he was Java developer. Like he had 3 years of experience. He started with 8,000 of salary in a small startup. So he worked there, and his last salary was there 22,000. So around
Hmm.
2.4 LPA his was package. But in the lockdown he got hike in one of the companies like in 2020. So
Hmm.
he got from 2.40 to 10 LPA.
Hmm.
And again, like recently he switched. So from 10 LPA he got right now 40 LPA in
This
Java
I
development.
told you no, I told you one thing, Shriram. In Corona, other business will be fell down, but our IT is went for every skill, not only Java, even testing also, even manual testing, Selenium testing, everything they are getting good packages. Everyone is getting good packages.
It was unheard of, like people of 4 plus and 4.5 years of experience, people are getting 40 lakhs of package.
4 years in Java 14, huh?
40, sir, 40, 40.
40, yeah. 40,
Yes,
40 lakhs in Java 4 years people are.
4.5, yes.
I never heard any time in here. This first time I'm
Yes,
hearing that.
that's what I'm saying, sir. It was unheard of.
It's
So
a
he
fake
told
news
me,
here. It never happened. Sriram, I'm the senior person. I'm the manager. I am one of the MNC company. It's a fake news. 4 years people in the Java 40 lakhs in India. Not
40
only
lakhs,
anyone, just
like I have met the guy, sir.
40 lakhs. It never happened. Where is working?
Sir, persistent systems.
Huh? Person
Persist
systems. 14 years or 4 years?
4.5 years, sir. He 2016 pass out.
I know. This first time I'm hearing. Maybe I don't know here. What is he is Java person?
Yes, Java developer.
I think Yeshwar, you are in IT almost 12 years. I think industry. Have you heard any time Java people will get like that much?
4.5, like I never heard that,
I
but
never
one
hear.
of
Yeah.
my friend, he has around same 10 years experience. He got selected for 35 lakhs package in Bangalore.
That is 14
Maybe
years.
he had,
10 years.
maybe he might have passed out from some IIMs.
No, no,
No, that is
normal,
maybe based on the
normal.
norm. Shriram, I
Because for
don't
a
know.
normal BTech guy, I don't think so. But for maybe from IIMs and IITs,
8,000 of salary, 8,000.
Maybe that is a university college. I can say that. Correct, Arvind. But this is 4.5 normal college. 40. No, I don't know. Yeah, my MNC companies. I know my HCL standard, TCS standard. We never given this kind of packages. My
Yeah, yeah,
MNC company. I don't know other
4.5, 30
companies.
is too much actually. 40 is too
Huh?
much actually.
This I
For
never mean as
4.5
I know
is
my standard, my TCS right now. Okay, mean some HCL, CTS. We never seen this kind of. Uh, it will. Mean that's good news. Good news if you give. That's very happy. We are very very happy. But I never heard this first time I'm hearing 4.5 years for getting of Java developer 40 lakhs. Wow, it's great. Yeah.
Yes, and sir, one more guy is there. So he actually forcing me to do MuleSoft. He's a MuleSoft developer.
MuleSoft tools Pega is a BPM tool, but it will be only integration point of view. But Pega is handling A to Z, right? Just ask them
Yes,
what is the difference with Pega and MuleSoft. Just ask them.
no, no, actually he is a MuleSoft developer. So
Hmm.
same story with him. He got selected in one of the MNC on like basic 3.5 package. So he worked there for 2 years. Again switched to another MNC, and now he's in TCS. In lockdown only he switched to, right now he is on 24 LPA
People
with
are
same
getting, yeah.
2016 pass out.
Okay.
4.5 years around of experience, and 24 LPA. But
Hmm.
dedicated MuleSoft. He was like from primarily he was working on a MuleSoft.
Okay. I have
One of the
7:35. I have one more class.
He's also
See.
working in a Salesforce
Okay,
for 5.
fine. So I'm not understand what you're saying. All people are telling salary. What is the main intention? I don't understand.
So uh, uh, like sir, we can expect this kind of thing after like 6, 7, 8 years of experience. At least we can go till 20 LPA, sir.
No, you that's why I told you already, no? CLS a part 20 here, you're getting into 1 crore in the India itself. You got it, Shira? I told you,
Okay.
right, when I discuss about here certifications, right? I told you, right, here people are getting is 1 crore nearly. In Pega who have part 2. I'm not saying that CSSA, sir. I don't give this kind of fake news. Who have CLSA part 1, part 2, those people we have in a Pega 10 plus of experience, they will get nearly 1 crore. No doubt on that. At least 7, 80, 90. But not
Okay.
2 plus, 3 plus, 4
I
plus
was
will
not.
get 50 lakhs to 60 lakhs. I won't say this kind. But I never seen that. Why should I say lies? I'm just telling. See, if you have 3 plus 4 plus, you can get nearly 20 lakhs package. I know that only. I mean, I don't know other companies. As my seeing that my standard companies where I'm working, we are providing like this.
Okay, sir, can you repeat this? I was not like present at when you were discussing this. I thought that you are giving the introduction.
Just watch in recording here because I have
Okay,
already 7:35. I have one more class
sure.
will be there.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you guys. We'll meet on Monday. Bye. Yeah.